Hiver is a powerful email collaboration tool. But before diving into it, there are a few key things you need to know to make sure it fits your team's needs. Whether you're considering Hiver for your business or are just exploring the possibilities, this is a guide to help you make an informed decision. Stick around because I'll also compare Hiver with some of its top competitors so you'll know exactly where it stands. First off, Hiver is built around Gmail, which might be a huge plus if your team already uses Google Workspace. Unlike other tools, Hiver integrates directly into Gmail, meaning you don't have to switch to a whole new interface. This seamless integration allows you to manage shared inboxes, assign tasks, and track emails without leaving your Gmail account. If you're already using Google for your business, it's a pretty straightforward addition to your workflow. Next thing you should know is that Hiver's collaboration features are designed for teams that need to manage shared inboxes, like support or sales teams. You can assign emails to specific team members, track email status, and even leave internal notes without cluttering up your customer's inbox. This is a major advantage over basic email tools, where collaboration is more of a hassle. For example, if you're comparing it to something like Help Scout, Hiver's simplicity and Gmail integration might feel more natural. The third thing worth mentioning is the automation features that come with Hiver. You can set up rules to automate email assignments, notifications, and even follow-ups. If you've ever spent too much time managing tasks manually, these automations will save your team a lot of effort. While other tools like Front or Zoho Mail offer automation too, Hiver's workflow rules feel incredibly intuitive due to its Gmail integration. You'll be able to create triggers based on criteria like email subject or sender, helping you streamline your processes. The fourth thing you need to consider is Hiver's reporting and analytics. You can track response times, the number of emails handled, and other key metrics that help you understand your team's performance. This is especially useful for customer support teams who want to maintain high service standards. Some competitors, like Freshdesk or Zendesk, may offer more advanced analytics, but Hiver provides a straightforward and easy-to-read interface for those who don't need the complexity. Next, let's talk about Hiver's pricing structure. While the platform offers great features, it might be a bit on the pricier side compared to alternatives like Gimelius, especially for smaller teams. Hiver's pricing is tiered based on the number of users, so depending on your team size, this can add up quickly. That said, the quality of the features you get for the price could justify it, particularly for teams that are already using Google Workspace. But if you're looking for something that's more budget-friendly, you might want to consider some of the lighter options in the market. The sixth thing is the customer support from Hiver. Their support is highly rated, and they offer live chat and email support, which is a great bonus when you need quick help. However, the support options might not be as extensive as some larger competitors like Zendesk, which offers more robust customer support channels and a massive knowledge base. Still, if you're a smaller business or a startup, Hiver's support is more than adequate. Lastly, it's important to note that Hiver also works well for businesses in industries like SaaS, e-commerce, and agencies, where you're likely to deal with high volumes of customer communication. Hiver's simple interface and deep Gmail integration make it perfect for businesses where email communication is key to success. If your team's communication style is more complex, with multiple channels and systems, Hiver might feel limiting compared to more advanced tools like Front or Intercom. If you're interested in giving Hiver a try, you can click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for the software and enjoy some exclusive benefits. Just remember to assess your team's needs carefully. Hiver is an excellent choice for teams that live in Gmail and want simple, effective collaboration tools.